All right, well, if you can see it, which you probably can't, we got a bunch of garlic mixed in this flower bed. A little bit more than ready to be harvested. It's gotten a bit overgrown, a bit neglected, and so I missed some of them. So some of them are a bit drier than I'd like. They still got a little bit of green on top though. So I think they're pretty good. Looks all in all pretty good. We're gonna see what the rest of them look like. If I can dig them out. And when you dig them out, you want to be gentle. You don't want to nick them. Very good one. A little on the small side, but not too bad, considering they were neglected most of the year. All right, well, as you can see, a little bit of work, but not too bad. Only one unfortunate casualty of my over-aggressive pulling. That's fighting them roots and all that was weeds. It's soon to be remedied though. So, not too bad. Not too bad. I got what, like 10 maybe of these guys? And even the unfortunate beat up one down here. Let's see, maybe if I can, there he is. Oh, you know what? At least I can smell him though. Man, he smells good. Potent. I love it. It smells so rich. So not too bad, not too bad. Got me a start on clearing out this flower bed. And yeah, we'll get drying these guys. You want to dry them in the shade? I got an abundance of shade in the yard, so set up a table underneath one of them, leave them out for a little while. Hopefully critters don't get to them. And yeah, we'll have some good garlic. I really want to try braiding them. I think that looks pretty cool. But my wife usually does the braiding of the daughter's hair, so maybe I'll let her give it a crack. Yeah, overall not too bad. Remember leaving these guys in the shade, not direct sunlight. I've got it in a little bit of sunlight right here. This is just where I'm leaving them right now, but this will not be where I'm going to dry them. But not too bad. I got some bigger ones, so yeah, good run for a neglected batch. Happy harvest.